Yo guys, it really has been raining all morning. It is now midday, going to afternoon, and I'm finally getting up. My place is a mess. Still in bedboard. Everything is everywhere. The kitchen is hectic. I still need to sort out my flowers. Look at that. Everything is a mess, but yeah, let's get it. I'm tired of lying down, and I think this room is getting a bit too stuffy for me. So I'm a mess also. I wanted to do my lashes. I need to do my brows and my hair. I'm not too upset about. I'm still wearing my hair natural for, I think maybe for the next week or two. I've been wearing it like this for the past week. So yeah, and I've been enjoying it, styling it, wearing it up and down. And yeah, I think in this vlog I'm gonna like stitch in a few of the things that, no, actually I'm not. Let's clean this place.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Hey, you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. Right with you, I feel like Scarface. Ain't that boy bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just chase this argument back up to my place. Section argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here, I'm saying. Nobody do body like you do.
Are you blaming on me? You're the main one, lying. Are you trying to leave it on the main one? It's gonna be with you.
I would take out the trash, but it's raining outside and I don't want to get rained on, so I'll leave it there for now. Then I have to sort out those flowers after I take a bath. Y'all, can you hear the rain outside? I feel like I have to shout. Now that I'm clean, I'm gonna moisturize my face. I wanted to do a whole skin routine, but like, what? I'm tired. But I decided just maybe to give a break between skin routine content and lifestyle content. And guys, today I've just had like the slowest day. They have been putting out weather warning reports on the news, and it's literally been actively raining the whole day. When I was lying in bed in the morning around 7-ish, thinking, oh my god, this is usually my time to leave the house. If I had to leave the house, I don't know what I would do. But tomorrow I have to face the same reality, because tomorrow's weather is going to be more hectic than today's weather. My boss just sent us like a message on our WhatsApp group to say that, guys, you need to make arrangements for tomorrow morning so that you don't arrive to work late, because the rain is going to be worse than what it is today. Guys, I don't know. Hey, I'm praying that God is gonna bless me with a car. It's like embarrassed to say, but it is what it is. I guess my life has just been like other priorities, like staying alive, having food, having a roof over my head, like a safe space. Even though it's not like the most glamorous and most luxurious, and you know, life could definitely be more comfortable. But I'm just saying, Busi Jane, the way my life has been set up over the years, like my priority has never been Elena's or drivers, and maybe I need to change that this year, because winter is coming, and this winter I really don't want to be freezing in a taxi on my way home after a 9-hour shift, you know. And sometimes it rains in winter in Gauteng, so you're gonna be cold and wet and tired, and then you're probably gonna get sick, and then you know it just spirals out of control. So God, please, a car this year. I know it will happen. Okay, I need to move out of this place, because I, like earlier you saw when I was washing the dishes, I had to boil the water on the stove, even though there is running water and there is a geyser outside. But unfortunately, the place that I stay, I share my geyser with my neighbor. That's like least of my problems, right? The biggest thing is the drainage system. So whenever I open the tap in the bathroom, in the sink, it goes out of the shower hole thing where the water's supposed to go out. The water will come back up, and so I haven't been taking showers. So yeah, guys, like this thing every morning when I have to like get ready for work, already I'm turned off. Every time I come back from work, trying to relax, like, but at least I'm still able to keep myself clean and beautiful and smelling good. But I am actively looking for a different place to stay where they don't have drainage problems or electricity problems or water problems, because that is another huge thing that I have to deal with in this place, is that uhlezi uhamba njalo kune-load reduction kule ndawo. And then sometimes water shading bayayenza. I-bathroom yami inama-5 litre ayi-2, 4, 6. Then 20 litre owamanzi nje ohlezi nje, and it's not aesthetically pleasing, guys. kuningi, but we move. So I am looking for a better place to stay. But and the thing is, like, this room is so nice, guys. Like, it's very decent looking. But inkinga nje le ndaba ye-drainage namanzi ke ahleze engekho nogesi kohambayo. Ukuthola ukuthi nje manje ngo-5 ugesi uzohamba ngoba kubanda kanje, uzobuye ngo-10 ebusuku. What can you do? Give pill. Also, I know that there's no use complaining. I'm trying to stay positive, but I have to rant. I have to go ranting, because if I don't and I keep it all inside, then it's going to start affecting me a lot. So here we are once again. Ooh, yellow looks cute as he on me. I'm torn into pieces, can't deny it, can't pretend. Just thought you were the one, broken up. That's why I can't pretend that this is cute, and no, because it's not. And my landlord, I talked to them about it because it's a couple. Then they brought in a plumber, but then they didn't want to pay the plumber his full price. So I guess the plumber didn't do the full job. And yeah, we're in the situation now. So it is what it is, and it ain't what it's not. Tastes like wine. Why? And don't judge me for drinking tap water. It's tough times. It's tough times for a girly. These are tough times, guys. I think I'm gonna start cooking now. Having ostrich. Amidst these tough times, one must make meals. I actually want to sort out my flowers.
Roll up, roll up.